In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create boards on Monday.com. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up a new board from scratch and choose the right settings so your workspace stays organized and easy to manage. Let's start from your main Monday.com workspace. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a sidebar with your existing boards and workspaces listed. At the very top of that sidebar, look for the button labeled Add with a plus sign. This is your starting point for creating anything new in Monday.com, including boards. Go ahead and click that Add button. When you do, a small menu will appear with several options. From that list, choose New Board. This tells Monday.com that you want to create a fresh board rather than a document, a dashboard, or anything else. As soon as you select New Board, a setup window will pop up. Here, the first thing you'll want to do is give your board a name. Click into the field labeled Board Name and type something that clearly describes what this board is for. For example, you might use names like Marketing Campaigns, Product Roadmap, or Team Tasks. A clear, specific name makes it much easier for you and your teammates to find and use the board later on. Next, you'll choose the privacy level for the board. This is important because it controls who can see and access the information inside. You'll usually see three options: main, private, and shareable. A main board is visible to everyone in your account or workspace, which is great for team-wide projects. A private board is only visible to you and the specific people you invite, making it ideal for sensitive work or early-stage planning. A shareable board is designed for collaborating with people outside your core team or organization, like clients or contractors, while still keeping control over what they can see. Take a moment to think about who needs access before you select the privacy level. If you're not sure, you can start with main for internal team use and adjust the settings later as your needs become clearer. Once you've entered a name and selected the privacy level, you're ready for the final step. Click the Create Board button. Monday.com will generate your new board and open it right away, ready for you to start adding groups, items, and columns. And that's it. You've successfully created a new board on Monday.com with a clear name and the right privacy settings to match your workflow.